Master your nervous system naturally with these 6 breathing techniques. Your breath is the most powerful tool you're not using. If stress has you spiraling, if anxiety hijacks your day, or if sleep feels impossible, you're not broken, you're just ungrounded. And your breath is your way back. Most of us go through the day breathing the wrong way. Shallow, fast, tense, unaware. This kind of breathing keeps us in fight or flight, the emergency mode of the nervous system. But when you breathe intentionally, everything shifts. Your heart rate, your stress hormones, your thoughts, your mood. Today, you'll learn 6 simple yet powerful breathing techniques, all backed by science, to help you reduce anxiety in real time, regulate emotional overwhelm, fall asleep faster, expand your lung capacity, and feel calm, clear, and grounded no matter what's happening around you. You don't need equipment, just your breath. And maybe a quiet space. Let's begin. Technique 1. Box breathing. Reset in under 2 minutes. Box breathing is one of the most effective ways to calm your nervous system, fast used by Navy SEALs, elite athletes, and trauma therapists. How it works. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. That's 1 full box. Repeat 7 to 10 rounds. Pro tip. Picture tracing a square as you breathe. This mental visualization strengthens focus and adds rhythm. If 4 seconds feels too much, start with 3. If it's too easy, go to 5 or 6. The point isn't perfection, it's rhythm. Why it works. Resets erratic breathing patterns, balances oxygen and carbon dioxide, lowers cortisol, your stress hormone. Signals safety to your brain. Even 90 seconds can shift you out of a panic spiral and into peace. Technique 2. The 4-7-8 breathing. The sleep inducer. This is your go-to breath for winding down at night or calming yourself in emotionally intense moments. How to do it. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Do 4 to 6 rounds to start. If holding for 7 is hard, reduce to 4-4-6 and build up. What it does. Activates the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and digest mode. Slows your heart rate. Increases GABA levels in the brain, the calming neurotransmitter. Helps ease insomnia, tension, and racing thoughts. Many people use this before bed or after receiving stressful news. It's like flipping an internal calm switch. Technique 3. Pursed lip and diaphragmatic breathing. Deep lung reset. Originally designed for people with breathing disorders like COPD, this technique helps you breathe deeper, slower, and more efficiently even if your lungs feel tight or stressed. Pursed lip breathing. Inhale through your nose for 2 seconds. Exhale through pursed lips, like blowing out a candle, for 4 seconds. Diaphragmatic breathing. Place one hand on your chest, the other on your belly. Inhale through your nose, expanding your belly, not your chest. Exhale slowly through pursed lips as your belly deflates. Repeat for 5 minutes daily or during emotional spikes. Benefits. Improves oxygen exchange, strengthens respiratory muscles. Calms the vagus nerve, helps manage panic attacks, asthma, and chronic stress. This is an excellent starting point if deep breathing feels overwhelming at first. Technique 4. Focus word breathing. Anchor the mind. This method combines mindfulness and mantra. It's subtle, soothing, and powerful, especially in public or high-stress environments. How to do it. Choose a word. Peace, let go, grace, calm, trust. As you inhale, silently say the word. As you exhale, repeat it or say, release. This creates a rhythmic anchor for both your breath and your mind. It gives your thoughts direction, especially helpful if your brain is looping or catastrophizing. Try this during traffic, long meetings, or before a difficult conversation. Technique 5. Belly breathing, foundational breathwork. This is the cornerstone of almost every relaxation method, and it's free, simple, and ridiculously effective. How to do it? Sit or lie down with one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Inhale through your nose, letting your belly rise. Exhale through your mouth, letting the belly fall. Keep the chest still. Focus on the expansion and release of your lower abdomen. Start with 5 minutes, gradually build to 10 or 15. Why it's magic? Shifts your body out of fight or flight, slows breathing rate, improves digestion and circulation. Calms emotional reactivity. It tells your brain, we're safe now. And when your brain believes it, your body follows. Technique 6. The vacuum hold, advanced. This one is optional, a powerful lung expansion technique borrowed from yogic practices, Uddiyana Bandha, and breath hold training for athletes and divers. Caution. Not for beginners, people with heart conditions, or while standing. How to do it? Sit or lie down. Fully exhale. At the bottom of the exhale, hold your breath and gently suck in your belly and diaphragm. Hold for a few seconds, then slowly inhale and release. Benefits. Improves lung elasticity. Strengthens core and diaphragm. Boosts internal awareness and calm use with guidance, and never to the point of discomfort. Bonus. When to use each technique. Anxiety spike in public? Stay strong and stand tall. Box breathing. Trying to fall asleep? 4, 7, 8 breath. Feeling physically tense? Belly breathing or pursed lip? Mind spiraling at work? Focus word breathing? Need more lung capacity? Diaphragmatic or vacuum hold? Morning grounding? Any gratitude breath. Inhale gratitude. Exhale stress. Long-term benefits of daily breathwork. Doing one breathing session a day is powerful. Doing it consistently is transformative. Over time, you'll notice improved focus and attention span, less emotional reactivity, better sleep and digestion, more energy without caffeine, a deeper connection with your body and present moment. Your breath becomes your anchor, in chaos, in stillness, in life. The science behind it all, vagus nerve stimulation, activates your body's calm down system, heart rate variability increase, improves stress resilience. CO2 balance, helps oxygenate tissues and reduce anxiety, neuroplasticity, rewires habitual stress responses with repetition. This isn't woo, it's wired into your biology. Your breath is always with you. You don't need to meditate for an hour. You don't need to chant or go to a retreat. You just need to breathe with awareness and intention. Inhale, peace. Exhale, tension. Use these tools not just when things fall apart, but as daily rituals to stay centered before the storm even hits. Which breathing technique spoke to you most? Let me know in the comments. If this helped you feel calmer even a little, share it with a friend. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and breathe with me every week as we explore simple, natural ways to heal your nervous system. You don't need more noise, you need more breath. And now you know how to use it.